Hi, I'm Tyler with Carson's Nurseries, and this is How To Friday. This Friday we are talking about one of our most asked questions this time of year. Did I just kill my plant? The answer? Probably not. By late summer, a lot of plants start looking tired. Hot temperatures, drought, and seasonal changes all causes plants to wilt, brown, or die back. These guys are still alive, they are just unhappy. Brown here does not always mean dead. Before you dig your plant up, look for signs it's still alive, such as a green stem in there, also fresh buds or growth near the base of the plant. Many perennials start slowing down as they store energy for next year. Perennials such as these cone flowers, as the flower dies off, it prepares the seed head to reseed for the next year. Then there are several plants like these panicle hydrangeas that during high temperatures and stress will cause them to lose their lower leaves and defoliate slightly. Some plants with fragile leaves such as this hosta here will also discolor and burn slightly with the high heats. If you're ever unsure whether your plant is dead or dormant, don't hesitate to bring us a picture, give us a call, or stop by here at Carson's. Thank you. This has been How To Fridays.